Samsung fans, get ready to feast your eyes on the latest addition to the Galaxy lineup. The rumors have been swirling, and now we finally have some concrete evidence about the much-anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. In the ever-evolving world of smartphones, leaks and rumors are common, but when a major carrier accidentally reveals information about an upcoming device, it's hard to ignore. That's exactly what happened recently when UK carrier EE inadvertently confirmed the existence of the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. According to reports, the Galaxy S24 FE was spotted in EE's database, complete with its official moniker and model designation. The model designation, SM721U, may not reveal much on its own, but it's a solid piece of evidence that the Galaxy S24 FE is indeed in the works. Now let's talk specs. While EE didn't divulge too many details about the device, rumors and leaks have given us a glimpse of what to expect. It's believed that the Galaxy S24 FE will feature a stunning 6.1-inch AMOLED display, perfect for immersive gaming and media consumption. Under the hood, the S24 FE is expected to pack a punch with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and seamless performance. When it comes to storage, users will have two options to choose from: 128 GB or 256 GB, both utilizing the latest UFS 3.1 and 4.0 technology. Powering all of this will be a robust 4,500 mAh battery, providing ample juice to keep you going throughout the day. Now, you might be wondering when you can get your hands on the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Well, if history is any indication, we could see an official unveiling around October, similar to its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 FE. Initial rumors suggested a summer release for the S24 FE. However, recent reports indicate that a late 2024 launch is more likely. Codenamed R12, the Galaxy S24 FE is poised to make waves in the smartphone market. While some lucky users may get their hands on the device by the end of 2024 in select markets, a wider global launch is expected in early 2025. So there you have it, folks. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is shaping up to be a powerhouse of a smartphone, with top-of-the-line features and a sleek design to match. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out.